Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's talk some Dogecoin as we need to get into kind of what we're seeing on the charts. And this is something that's very important as we look at the broader crypto market in a bit of a decline. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. If you have not yet done so, make sure you guys are all subscribed right down below. Also, smash that like button and please let me know your thoughts. And if you hold Dogecoin, put that DOGE down below in the comments. But let's get into it. 4th of July weekend. What thing better not to do than talk about crypto? So let's hit it. And guys, remember, this is not financial advice. So always do your own research and due diligence when we talk crypto here on the channel. Okay, but we're seeing a key demand wall appearing despite seeing Dogecoin down on the charts. All right, we have seen something where this data from into the block is where Dogecoin is facing significant demand zones within its current trading levels, highlighting areas where substantial buying activity has occurred. Dogecoin has established a demand zone between 0.081 and 0.099, and within this range, okay, 11.36 billion Dogecoin were acquired by 1.14 million addresses. You can kind of see the in to the out of the money. A lot of traders are still profitable on Dogecoin, so that's something to keep in mind. Despite the pricing going down and having kind of negative price action, we are seeing more holders into the green. So that's always going to be a key metric. That's why I love in and out of the money, that metric shown by into the block, okay? But this is further reinforcing kind of the support within 0.07 and 0.08. That's where a lot of Dogecoin is being held. That's why we have traders in the profit zone, okay? But that is why that concentration of holdings is very significant as being the key demand zone for Dogecoin. So we have a lot of investor interest at these levels, and this is why as these demand zones kind of continue to be identified, this is where the majority of the accumulation and the selling and trading activity for Dogecoin is at. So this is what everybody comes here for. This is what everybody wants to know. What is next for the Dogecoin's price? Well, according to this article, Dogecoin, reaching lows of the 0.091 level in a 3-day price slump. Okay, this is all due to kind of Bitcoin being down in the dumps, right? We all know how closely Dogecoin trades with Bitcoin, and as we currently are recording, you can see Dogecoin at that 10 cents level. So it's important to keep in mind that is kind of what's moving and driving the market, right? Not financial advice, just my 2 cents, kind of what's going on within this demand wall that we've talked about. This is something where you look at Dogecoin down, but people are buying Dogecoin. So, with all this uncertainty that's just hanging out, we see all this doom and gloom in the market. You have to understand that this is a wall where it's going to be crucial for the support for Dogecoin, where if we have further price declines, a lot of investors would not look to sell. They don't want to take a loss. So that's going to help sustain the case of this Dogecoin wall on the charts, where we look for kind of the future of Dogecoin getting above its simple moving average of the 200-day above that 12.9 level. So if we can stay above 13 cents, if we get back to 13 cents, that's going to be great for Dogecoin. It's going to be a little bit more bullish. So that's something where, it's something where the demand wall is crucial, and it's kind of how Dogecoin is separating itself from the pack. So I talk a lot about kind of ad nauseum about how I feel about Dogecoin on the channel. It's kind of in its a second run, if you will. Where it seems to be the OG meme coin out there really does have a way with getting to kind of defying the market and some of the trends that we see out there. So I'm rooting for it. We need that catalyst from Elon Musk. And if we do it without him, even better. But still, if it can become the monetization platform and structure within Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, that's obviously the most bullish circumstance. Another thing that I'm looking forward to in 2024 is the election and the thought of inflation dropping a little bit in the fall. So that's kind of Dogecoin on the day. I hope you guys are all doing well. I do have a channel sponsor. If you do any leverage trading, make sure you use my link down below. Get signed up with Margex today. There's no KYC, but you can trade up to 100x leverage with a lot of your favorite cryptos. And by registering now, you can claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. So if you want to get started trading with Margex, use my link down below and sign up today. So appreciate you guys watching. If you can, do me a solid, subscribe down below, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.